So today in class we learn chapter 1, programming the web. So in this chapter we're going to basically do some sums like plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In here we can also create things. So what is a program? A computer program is a series of instructions that can be understood and followed by a computer. And in computer program helps people do many thousands of things, including the following, like playing music and watching videos, performing scientific experiments, and designing cars, and etc. And then it tells us the languages that we can use in the program, and it tells us what JavaScript is, and it helps us set our browsers and all those things. So in this chapter, like I said, we're going to do sums, and we can also create strings, like I'm about to show now. So over here, we want to create a string that says hello Katie, my name. And we want that to work in the console. So I'm just going to create the code and then I'm going to explain it. Then my we want string 1 and string 2 to be in the same sentence. So I'm going to create another variable that says complete. So we can add string 1 and string 2 in the same line. Then we want this to appear in our console. So we're just going to type in console.log. We want to add in complete. So I'm just going to explain the code. So here we just created strings that we did in the past. It's basically self-explanatory. And then here over here we have var complete string 1 plus string 2. So over here, this line declares a variable name complete and assigns it to the result of concatenating the values of string 1 and string 2. The plus operator is used to concatenate the string, and complete is assigned to the value hello Katie. And then we have console.log complete. So in this line, this line's outputs the value of the complete variable to the console so it can print out hello Katie. So if I press file and save and see if it prints out in our console, and there it does print out hello Katie. And then we are going to do a math formula as well. So we can just type in a variable. We can do a math equation. So we can just put it over here if I could remember it correctly. Hope I'm doing this right. And the sum we are going to do is 3 plus 9 uh, minus, I forgot to make spaces, minus 4, forgot my brackets, 4 times 7, and we always add a semicolon at the end. And we also want this formula to come out in our console. So over here, we're going to type in console.log in math formula. Let me just explain the code. So over here, we've got our variable var math formula equal to 3 plus 9 minus 4 times 7. This line declares a variable named math formula and assigns it to the result of the mathematical expression. And then we've got console.log. This line outputs the value of the math formula in the variable to the console. So if I'm going to press over here, file and save, and see if it runs in our console. And there's our answer, negative 16. That is what we learned in chapter 1.